Okay, so I decided to make, I think her name is Shakayla Felice. Her YouTube name used to be Sweet Greens Vegan. I know that's the name of her blog. But I decided to make her vegan jerk meatballs and her cornbread. So I'm hungry, wanted something good, and I'll probably have this for leftovers for my Sunday dinner. And even if I have leftovers, I will eat it on Monday. But I just wanted to film some of me making the meatballs and making the cornbread, and so wanted to show that. I am just running through errands. I have like all these Amazon boxes from where I did some unboxing, so I have to break those down, and it's just like a little mess in here, but organized, chaotic mess. But I wanted to share me making the meatballs, so I am going to turn on one of my favorite YouTubers that I watch like her videos over and over, rewatch her videos all the time. So I'm going to pop that on, put some music on over this while I show you guys the process of me trying these meatballs out for the very first time. So stay tuned. I'm so hungry. Let's get to cooking. Alright guys, so my meatball mixture is, I'm trying to point to it, it's back there. Like, I'm just letting it hang out. Like letting the flavors mesh together. But look at what I'm making next. Now, I am a Southern girl. I love cornbread. I've never made it homemade before. My grandma always like would make it, and if I made it, I would just use Jiffy cornbread mix. But I also found on Shakayla's YouTube page and on her blog homemade vegan cornbread. Whew. So I got all the ingredients and I bought a new cast iron frying pan just to make the cornbread. So look at the ingredients. So these are the ingredients. So we got butter, baking powder, salt, flour, cornmeal, brown sugar is all I have, macadamia, yeah, macadamia milk. I really like it. I think it'll be good in this, and flax to make our flax egg because it's vegan. So these are all the ingredients to make our cornbread. So let's make that next. And this is my new frying pan. It's a little baby cast iron skillet. I have one back at home in Columbia in my other apartment there, but I am so excited to, this is the first time using this, so hopefully it doesn't smoke too bad because I've never used this one before. And here's the thing with cooking, I love it because as you can see in the meatball recipe, like I kind of went off the grid. I used the base of her recipe, but I added my own seasonings and spices. Baking, you have to like follow it to a T or you could mess the entire dish up. So that's why I'm not like really good at baking, but prayerfully this cornbread comes out good because I really am craving some good Southern food and I feel like this cornbread is it. So let's get the cornbread baking. cooking. I only did half the batch. I put the rest in the refrigerator. I'll make the rest of it tomorrow. But I put a little bit of vegetable broth down because I didn't want to use oil to cook them, and I didn't want them to stick. Even though these are new non-stick pans, I also don't want to ruin my pan. So I put a little bit of vegetable oil on it. But I'm going to flip them over now. Hopefully they don't fall apart. Alright, I just made up this method in my mind. I'm going to use 2 spoons to flip the meatballs. Let's see, we got them. I'm just going to gently lay them down. I need to add some more vegetable broth to the pan. The camera is orange, so can't get the true color of it, but y'all, this looks so good. This looks so good. I'm gonna put a little bit of Manuka honey on here, and that's it. It's done. Alright everybody, this is my plate, my jerk meatballs, and my cornbread. That piece fell apart, but look at that good piece of cornbread, guys. That cornbread is good, it's buttery, and it's moist. Let's taste it. Alright, we're gonna taste some of the meatballs. Let's Sarah Grace first. Lord, please let this taste good. I've never had this before, so please let these meatballs taste good. I don't want to be disappointed and know that I wasted my money. Please let this be good. Jesus, please let this taste good. Like, look at that. It's nice, and it looks like ground beef or ground turkey. Let's see. Gonna put this up here. This is good. It's a good replacement for beef. It's so good. Look at that meat. Well, faux meat. And onions. And that jerk seasoning. Wow. It is so good. That's good. Wow. And then our cornbread. I already tasted it, and I knew it was good. Wow. It tastes like my grandma made it. And it's vegan. Well, this is good. Let me go sit down and eat and enjoy my food. You guys have a happy... Oh my goodness. I just dropped some down my shirt. Bye, guys.